Hey there, Mr. Leon Kalma here, the best maths tutor in town and in Zambia. So listen, I want to teach you how to simplify. How do you simplify algebraic expressions? That's the question, yeah? So I'll give you 6 examples and you have a better understanding. This always comes in paper 1 and it's the first question. Wakuyambia naka simple. So if you fail simplification, I won't say much. Come here. So look. We want to simplify the following. We want to make it easy to break it down. Right? Look. So simplify. This looks complicated. Yeah? A 2-year-old will be crying when they look at this. So how do you make it simple? Brackets mean multiplication. So we start by breaking the brackets. So 3 times x, 3x. 3 times negative 2y. What do we have? Negative 6y. So you are breaking the brackets there. Then we have negative 2 times x, negative 2x. Negative times negative, positive. Be careful with the signs. Then you have 2 times 3, which is 6y. It's being made simpler. Now you group the like terms. You have 3x minus 2x. So here the signs are not changing. They only change when you have an equal sign. There's no equal sign here. They're just shifting. So you have negative 6y plus 6y. So 3x minus 2x is x. Check. Negative 6y plus 6y is 0. You can't include 0 at plus 0. So you end here. Beautiful. See how I've made that easy? Different signs, subtract, get the sign from the bigger number. Right? That's simplification, my dear student. Right? Let's look at example 2. We want to simplify this. So x will break the bracket. So x times x to the power 2 is x to the power 3. Yeah? X to the power 3. Here there's an invisible 1. So if they're the same, you're going to add the power. So 1 plus 2 is 3. Now you have x times negative 2y. When you're multiplying letters, you follow the alphabet. Remember A, B, C, D? Yeah? Remember that in grade 1? So you're going to have minus 2xy. Follow the alphabet. And the number should always be in front. It would look funny, x to y. Very funny looking. Check. Now you have this. Negative 3x to the power 2 times x. Negative 3x to the power 3. Negative 3x squared plus 2y is negative 6. What do we have? X squared exe. So I've just multiplied the numbers, then I have my x squared here, and then I have my y. Careful. Now I look at this, I ask myself, what is the same here? Because I can add and subtract like terms. Oh, I have this one and this one. So I have x to the power 3, minus 3x to the power 3, minus 2xy, minus 6x to the power 2, is y. Beautiful. This stands for 1. So there's a 1 here. So 1 minus 3 is negative 2. Some people get confused, right? When I say x to the power 3, they start adding 3 plus 3. You don't add. This is subtraction and addition. You only add when you are multiplying, and they have to be the same. So here I have 2x to the power 3 minus 2xy minus 6x power 2y. You can't go further than this. All of them, they are unlike terms. So you can't go further. You end here. I hope you're getting something. You're getting something, right? Let's look at example 2. You have 6 minus 2x plus 6. What do? This negative is going to break the brackets. So you have 6, negative times 2x, negative 2x. Negative times positive 6 is negative 6. I group the like terms. I have 6 to call this negative 6 minus 2x. 6 minus 6 is 0. Okay. Don't write the 0 as I've said. You just write your negative 2x. I see. You look at that? Let's look at the last 3 examples on this. All right. We're now looking at our last 3 examples on simplification. We have this one. 2x to the power 2, brackets 4xy minus 5. Then we have that. I'm going to break the brackets. How? By multiplying this with that. Start with the numbers. 2 times 4 is 8. X squared times x to the power 3. I have y here. 2 times 5 is negative 10. I have my x to the power 2. Then I have this here, 8 plus 9x squared. After I do this, I look for what's common. What's common here? All right. So x to the power 3. Y, I have this 10x squared. I'll call plus 9x squared minus 8y x to the power 3. What do I have here? So 8x to the power 3 y, negative 10x plus 9x is negative x squared. Yeah, it's like 10 minus 9, which is 1. I can't put 1x squared because the coefficient of x is 1. So I have this. Yeah. Many of you are wondering right now, what's the upper by the x by chance? They are like terms. Like terms means if it begins with x, it must begin with x. But here we have our x, we have our y. And this question or expression is in the question. So you can't start changing it and change it. So you leave it like here. Just leave it here. Just leave it here. Like means like. Right? Alright. So that is simplification. Now you have this one. A outside is going to break this. So A times B, AB. A times negative C, negative AC. A times positive D, positive AD. What's here? There's nothing that is like here. You end there. Right? Let's look at our last one. Oh, wow. We have negative y, then you have x minus y squared. You break the brackets. Negative y times x. As I've said, follow the alphabet. So it's negative x, y. Negative y times negative y squared. It's positive y to the power 3. You end there. Or if you want, you can have your positive in front, y to the power 3 minus xy. This looks more beautiful, but the exam will mark you either. Right? That's simplification. Don't wonder anymore. I've made it simple for you, right? Beautiful understanding. I hope you have joined the online group, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe. I have more videos coming from me. Yeah, all right, bye bye.